Guess who started going to gym again and wanted a reason to shop? Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. मेरी outfit से तुम्हें पता लग रहा होगा कुछ different करने वाले हैं. That's because your girl has recently started working out. It's not been very long, but yes, I started going to the gym again, like on and off. But I'm trying to be more regular. सबसे अच्छा तरीका है regular होने का shopping. So I shopped for some really nice looking athleisure wear. Not only nice looking, actually they do feel good too. So पहले whenever it used to come to athleisure wear ना मेरा Nike ही या Decathlon में से ही मेरे को होता था. But then I really want to try these new brands, Kava, Bliss Club, and there is this amazing brand on Amazon. Like ये खुद का ही brand है. I found some like super cool t-shirts, like gym t-shirts to wear. So this video is gonna be about gym wear, athleisure wear from Amazon because now we are gonna go to the gym and look bomb. So let's start with the video. So the first thing that I do want to talk about is this sports top slash bralette जिसका टैग मैंने अब तक निकाला नहीं है because I think I will get it exchanged for medium, but I do like the way it is snatching my body, as you can see. And this is from Kava actually, and they are available on like good discounts on Amazon, so you can check out the prices here. So yeah, the first product that we have is this top, and as you can see it comes with like pads also, but the pads are removable, so in case you don't like wearing such round pads, then you can easily remove them. But this is how our first item looks like, and it has like this crisscross back, which I think is so cool and super cute as well. Let me know what do you think. But yeah, this is our first item. And quality की मैं बात करूँ तो it's actually a really nice fabric. Like अगर तुम किसी महंगे brand में जाओ like Adidas or Nike, you will get this quality. So the quality is actually good. Okay, now we're talking about Kava. So I have bunch of stuff. एक तो मैंने पहनी भी है actually. So this is their leggings जो कि मैंने भी पहनी है. It's like this kind of waist. I don't know इसको क्या बोलते हैं, but like a it just gives you a really nice sculpting look, and I absolutely love this. Like इसमें यहाँ पे ना दो side pockets भी है, so it's so convenient to keep your phone or AirPods or whatever while you're working out. So it's super nice. I'll give you a proper try on and तुम देख लेना कि पूरा कैसा लग रहा है leggings, but it fits so good. By the way, ये जो top मैंने पहना है अभी, I've ordered size small in this, but I think I'm gonna go like for medium. And the leggings that I'm wearing here is size small, but they do fit me really well. I think ये मुझे थोड़ा सा यहाँ से, because I have like broad shoulders, तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे top में थोड़ा size up करना पड़ेगा, otherwise this is how it looks. And I think साथ में भी ये दोनों बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. So which brings us to our third Kava purchase, which is this really nice sculpting gym athleisure wear jacket. I've seen people wearing while playing tennis, pickleball, and it looks bomb because it has like this corset kind of shape. And again, I have ordered size small in this, so I'm hoping that it fits me nicely. By the way, I've ordered a really cute and viral tennis skirt also. I'll show you in a minute, but let's try this jacket first. Okay, I thought that it would have thumb holes, but it doesn't. But it does have that sculpting thing going on, and this is how it looks. I hope you can hear me. पूरा ऊपर तक अगर मैं बंद कर लूँ तो. Okay, this is how the jacket looks, and I think I'm gonna keep the small size only because then only it will give me that sculpting shape that I was looking for. And this is how it looks from the back. It's super smart, and when I work out बहुत भी ऊपर नहीं हो रहा है. I can fly. Okay guys, just kidding. But you get the idea. This is how it looks. It's so cute and it's off-white, plus it's available in like so many more colors. By the way, मैंने notice किया है, I can yap when it comes to shopping hauls. Dude, I do look really nice. I'll show you the vertical. Like ये leggings के साथ बहुत ही सही लग रहा है. I love it. I'm obsessed. Guys, next thing that we have are these yoga pants, again from Kava. These are in like ribbed material as you can see, ठीक है. And ये मैंने exact olive green ही लग रहा है ना, ये blue तो नहीं लग रहा है. इन्होंने स्लेट ब्लू लिखा है. ओके देन दिस इज स्लेट ब्लू. मुझे थोड़ा ग्रीन टोन लग रहा है ये, बट आई एम गोना ट्राई इट आउट एंड शो यू हाउ इट लुक. मुझे थोड़ा सा डाउट है कि दिस वोंट बी लाइक स्क्वाट प्रूफ, क्योंकि इसका फैब्रिक इतना थिक नहीं है जितना मैंने इनकी ब्लैक वाली लेगिंग्स पहनी है ना. प्लस उसका फैब्रिक भी अलग है. इट्स वेरी स्कल्पटिंग फैब्रिक. दिस वन इज मोर रिलैक्स्ड एंड ribbed, you know, the one that you get in normal yoga pants. So we'll see how it fits me and if it is actually squat proof or not. Like अगर इसमें मेरा underwear lines दिखने वाली हैं, so I don't think I'll be able to keep it, but we'll see. I'll give you a proper try on while squatting कि ये है कि नहीं squat proof. But yeah, let's see if I can fit into this. Anyway, the fabric quality is really nice. Like it's super soft and I wish it fits me nicely. Some of the things are made in India. Like this jacket is made in India, but these leggings are made in China. But we'll see the try on. Okay, next thing that I have is this, their super famous tennis skirt. Again, I've ordered size small, and this is in like pink color. Like imagine this jacket and this skirt wearing. Again, you'll see it in the vertical format, but this is so cute. Like I cannot wait to wear it when I'm playing pickleball or pretending to play pickleball, because I don't really know how to play pickleball, but here is to trying in cute outfits. This is so cute. Again, leggings तो आ गई यार मुझे इसकी small size, so I'm hoping that this skirt would also fit me nicely. It's not actually exactly a skirt, it's a skort. See, अंदर पूरा तुम्हें gym वाले shorts मिल रहे हैं, like जो actually workout shorts होते हैं, and then you have a pocket also inside the shorts, like दोनों side. And I saw like they posted a video of Alia Bhatt also wearing the same skirt. Dude, that's something. And this is just so cute, and it's gonna look so nice with this sculpting jacket. So there's that. Okay, now this was everything that I got from Kava, which was available on pretty good discount on Amazon, by the way. And now let's move on to Bliss Club. So I have never tried Bliss Club that I remember of. ठीक है, तो I've ordered their flared pants, जो कि सब बोलते हैं यार कि ये रही flared pants, कि you should have that and it is amazing and all that, but I don't know if I am that person who would enjoy wearing those flared pants, but we'll see. So this is the first thing that I got from Bliss Club, their pink colored flared pants. This is how it looks. So the name is the Ultimate Flare Pants. It's like pink rose color and मैंने size small ही order किया है. So we'll see how it looks. And as you can see, हाँ इसका waist normal है. I thought I ordered this kind of waist, but I think I ordered that in leggings. No. Nope. And again, I'm gonna give you a proper try on here and we'll see how it looks and everything, but I do have high hopes, and I've seen people wearing it all the time. Like, you know, a lot of my friends used to wear it, like just because athleisure wear is actually very comfortable to just, you know, stroll around. So you can take it even if you don't work out, or maybe just go for walking and stuff. This is something you can definitely try for yourself. And then the next thing that we have again from Bliss Club, उसके पीछे एक pocket है, कुछ पैसे ऐसे रखने हो तो, but it doesn't have any closure. So, but this is how their ultimate high waist leggings look like. Like see, these are so high waist, and it has this waist, like chauda sa waistband also, I think to give you like a, you know, sculpting look. Like this Kava one has these two flaps which makes your waist look smaller because the cut is like this. But let's try this one and see how it looks. I'm gonna try it here and let's see it together. I think it's gonna fit nicely because they do have like good stretch in it, and small ही आएगा. मुझे generally small ही आता है इन सब चीज़ों में. Okay, next two tops that I ordered is from this Amazon brand only, Incast Active, and the first one is this simple black full sleeves t-shirt, and this one has like, you know, thumb holes as well. I'm gonna try it. Alright, so this is how it fits, and it does have a thumb hole also. This is how it looks from the back. It's quite covered, so I think a lot of people will like it. It has इतना movement है, like बहुत अच्छा stretch नहीं है इसका for like stretching वाले movements. So like if I just remove, then I can, like with thumb hole it doesn't have that. I might look very stupid, but we have to check this, you know. I do like it though. I can definitely run on a treadmill in this t-shirt, like for sure. Okay, let's try this color as well. I think medium है मैंने order किया है. I thought I've ordered small. I've ordered medium actually. Let's try the pink one now. So as I've said that I've ordered like medium size in these t-shirts, so that means they run a little smaller to the size, so make sure you choose accordingly. Like usually, as I said कि मुझे small आता है, or maybe because of my broad shoulders it's like fitting me too tight. Let's see. I do like this color better than black, I feel, and this is how it looks. Very covered, like even if I'm doing planks, so kuch dikhega nahi, so that's great. And yeah, this is how it looks. Again, if you like things loose, if you want your upper wear to be a little looser, then go for a bigger size, because I think this looks very cute. See, it has these thumb holes too, and this was actually super affordable. I think 500-600 में ये कुछ available था, so you can check this out. But I'm very happy with all my Kawa purchases and the discounts that I've gotten, because you know, Amazon. But you let me know which one was your favorite product from this video in the comments section below, and as always all the links are in the description box below. Make sure that you check them out and subscribe, comment, like, all the good things, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.